In our previous videos, we discussed about writing the equation given the slope and the y-intercept, which is the y equals mx plus b form. We also discussed writing the equation given the slope and a point. On those two forms, we need a slope to write the equation of the line. Suppose there is no slope, but we have 2 points. How do we write the equation of the line? Just stick around and have fun learning math concepts in an easy way. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I promise that I will journey with you in learning math lessons in an easy way. Two-point form of the equation of the line. The equation of the line passing through given points x sub 1 and y sub 1, x sub 2 and y sub 2 is given by the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1, where x sub 2 is not equal to x sub 1. So let's have example number 1. Write the equation of the line that passes through points 2, 1, and 3 and 4. Let the first point, 2 and 1, be the x sub 1 and y sub 1, and the second point, 3, 4, be the x sub 2 and y sub 2 respectively. Substitute to the given formula. So y minus our y sub 1 is 1 is equal to our y sub 2 is 4 minus 1 all over 3, our x sub 2 minus x sub 1, 2, times x minus x sub 1, which is 2. Simplify. So we just copy y minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. We just copy x minus 2. So further simplification, just copy y minus 1. Then 3 divided by 1 is 3. We just copy x minus 2. Then distribute. So y minus 1, we just copy. Then 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Rewrite this one into standard form. Transpose the term 3x to the left side by virtue of addition property of equality. So this will turn to negative 3x. We just copy positive y. And this is equal to, just copy negative 6. Transpose negative 1 to the right. That will become positive 1. Further simplification, so just copy this expression. Then negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. Since the first term is negative, so we will multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So change the sign of each term. So the equation would be 3x minus y is equal to positive 5. So this is the equation of the line that passes through point 2, 1 and 3, 4. In order for us to check that our equation is correct, so let's show this one in the graph. We are using the GeoGebra graphing calculator, and I will put the link in the description below. So that you can verify that whether your equation is correct. So all you have to do is just put the equation. So just type 3x minus y equals 5. The graph of this equation will be automatically shown in the Cartesian plane. We have to check. So our point 1 or our point A is 2 and 1. And our point B is 3 and 4. So indeed, this particular line, which is 3x minus y equals 5, really passed through points A and point B. So let's have example number 2. Write the equation of the line through points 3 and negative 1 and negative 5 and 2. So let the first point be the x sub 1 and y sub 1. The second point be the x sub 2 and y sub 2. Substitute to the given formula. So y minus. So our y sub 1 is negative 1. So put it in the quantity. And this is equal to, our y sub 2 is positive 2 minus our y sub 1, which is negative 1, all over our x sub 2, negative 5, minus x sub 1, 3, times x minus 3. Simplify. So negative times negative, so that would be positive, and it is equal to, so this is positive, so 2 plus 1, so that would be 3. Negative 5 minus 3, we'll add the two numbers, so this is 8, and copy their common sign. So this is negative 8. We just copy x minus 3. So 3 over negative 8 is negative 3 over 8. So distribute. Negative 3 over 8 times x is negative 3x over 8. Then negative 3 over 8 times negative 3 is positive 9 over 8. So get rid of the denominator by multiplying the whole equation by the LCD. So multiply each term of the equation by 8. So y times 8 plus 8 times 1 is equal to 8 times negative 3 over 8 plus 8 times 9 over 8. Cancel the common factors because they are 1. This one also 1. So multiply 8 times y is 8y. 8 times 1 is 8. This is equal to 1 times negative 3x is negative 3x plus 1 times 9 is 9. Rewrite this one by virtue of addition property of equality. Transpose negative 3x to the left. So that would be positive 3x. We just copy positive 8y. Just copy 9. Then 9 minus, since positive 8, if it will be transposed to the other side, that would become negative 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So this is now the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. Again, we will verify through the graph. So the equation is 3x plus 8y is equal to 1. So this is the graph. So indeed, as we have shown, point A, this is 3 and negative 1. And point B is negative 5 and positive 2. So the graph of the equation really passed through these 2 points. Example number 3, write the equation of the line through the origin and the coordinate negative 4 and negative 1 over 3. So the origin, the coordinate is 0, 0. So that would be our x sub 1 and y sub 1 respectively. And the second point, negative 4 and negative 1 over 3 will be our x sub 2 and y sub 2. Substitute to the given formula. So y minus y sub 1, which is 0, is equal to negative 1/3 y sub 2 minus 0 all over negative 4, our x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is 0, times x minus 0. Simplify. So y minus 0 is 0. Negative 1/3 minus 0 is 1/3. Negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. Then times x minus 0 is x. So let us recall that if we divide a fraction, a numerator is a fraction and the denominator is also a fraction because this is negative 4 over 1. So to do it, we just copy the numerator, which is negative 1 over 3, times the reciprocal of the denominator. So this is negative 4 over 1. So its reciprocal is negative 1/4. We just copy x. So to multiply fraction, just multiply the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. So negative 1 times negative 1, that would be positive 1. 3 times 4, that would be 12. So we just copy x. So further simplification, so this would be y equals x over 12. So get rid of the denominator, multiply the whole equation by the LCD. So 12 times y is 12y. Then x over 12 times 12, cancel out 12, remaining term is x. Rewrite. So this would be x minus 12 is equal to 0. This would be the equation of the line that passes through the origin and the point negative 4 and negative 1 over 3. We will show it through the graph if we are correct. So our equation is x minus 12 equals 0. So this is the graph. So indeed, it passes through the origin, which is 0, 0, and the point, another point, negative 4 and negative 1/3. So we are certain that our equation is correct. Last example, write the equation of the line that passes through points 1/2 and 4 over 3 and negative 2/5 and 1/4. So again, the first point would be the x sub 1 and y sub 1. The second point would be the x sub 2 and y sub 2 respectively. Substitute to the given formula. So y minus our y sub 1, 4 over 3 is equal to 1/4 our y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2, negative 2 over 5 minus x sub 1, 1/2. Then times x minus x sub 1, that is 1/2. So further simplification, to add dissimilar fractions, we need to find the LCD. If these two have no common factor, so to have the LCD of the 2, 3 and 4, just multiply them. So 4 times 3, that would be 12. In our previous video, I taught you how are we going to add or subtract dissimilar fractions. But in this case, we will be doing in a shortest way in which we're able to get the correct answer immediately. So multiply the whole denominator. So 4 times 3 is 12. To have the numerator, cross multiply the fraction. 1 times 3 is 3. Then minus 4 times 4 is 16. Same is true at the denominator. 5 times 2 is 10. Then negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. Minus 5 times 1 is 5. Then simplify. 3 minus 16 is negative 13 all over 12. Then negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. So over 10. Same is true if we divide a fraction, numerator times the reciprocal of the denominator. So the numerator is negative 13 over 12 times the reciprocal of negative 9 over 10 is negative 10 over 9. Notice that 12 and 10 have common factor which is 2. Cancel that first. So 12 divided by 2, so this would be 6. And 10 divided by 2, this is 5. Then multiply, just copy the left side expression. Negative 13 times negative 5 is positive 65. Then 6 times 9 would be 54. Just copy x minus 1 half. Okay, so distribute. So 65 over 54 times x is 65x over 54. Then 65 over 54 times negative 1 half. So negative 65 over 108. Get rid of the denominator, multiply the whole equation by the LCD, which is 108. So multiply each term by 108. Okay, cancel the common factor. So 108 divided by 3, so this is 36. 108 divided by 54, so this would be 2. 108 divided by 108, so that is 1. So multiply 108 times y is 108y. Then negative 36 times 4 is 144. This is equal to 2 times 65x is 130x. Then negative 1 times 65 is 65. So rewrite this one into standard form. So this is 130x minus 108y, and this is equal to negative 79. So this is now the equation of the line that passes through these two given points. Again, let's show this one in the graph. So this is 130x minus 108y equals negative 79. So this is the graph. Our point A, the first point is 1 half and 4 over 3. So this is 1 half and 4 over 3 is 1.33. So this is here. And point B, negative 2 over 5 and 1/4. So this is here. So indeed, this graph of the equation of the line, which is this equation, really passed through these two given points. We are certain that this equation is correct.
If you learned something new today, kindly smash that like button. And in the comment section, kindly send me your thoughts about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos so that I will be able to help you learn math lessons and concepts in an easy way. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.